Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. Today we're taking a close look at one of the most advanced and efficient air fryers on the market, the Cosori 9-in-1 TurboBlaze Air Fryer, 6-quart model. If you've been searching for an air fryer that delivers lightning-fast cooking, precision heating, and real versatility, this one deserves your attention. Pause camera pans to air fryer. The TurboBlaze series from Cosori takes air frying to a whole new level. Unlike traditional air fryers that rely on slower fans, this model features a turbine motor with up to 46% faster airflow, which means crispier, more evenly cooked meals in less time. Whether you're air frying, roasting, or baking, every dish comes out perfectly golden and tender. Now, let us break down its 9-in-1 functionality. This air fryer isn't just for fries and wings. You can, 1. Air fry, get that deep fried texture with little to no oil. 2. Roast, perfect for veggies and meats. 3. Bake, prepare cakes, muffins, and desserts effortlessly. 4. Broil, achieve that restaurant-style caramelization. 5. Dry, dehydrate fruits or herbs for healthy snacks. 6. Frozen, cook frozen meals without defrosting. 7. Proof-rise your bread or dough in ideal conditions. 8. Reheat, warm leftovers evenly. 9. Keep warm, maintain perfect serving temperature. Pause, zoom on control panel. The temperature range is impressive, from 90 degrees Fahrenheit to 450 degrees Fahrenheit, giving you total control for every type of recipe. Whether you're drying herbs at low heat or broiling steak at high temp, it adapts instantly. Another huge upgrade is the premium ceramic coated basket. Unlike standard non-stick coatings, this one is PTFE and PFOA-free, ensuring it's safer, scratch-resistant, and easy to clean. Plus, the 6-quart capacity makes it ideal for families. You can fit a whole chicken, a batch of fries, or a combo meal easily. Pause, show food being placed inside basket. Cosori's precise heating technology ensures that hot air circulates evenly from every angle. That means no cold spots, no flipping halfway, just consistently crispy textures throughout. And with the TurboBlaze motor, the cooking speed is up to 30% faster than older Cosori models. Let us not forget usability. The digital touchscreen interface is intuitive and beautifully designed. You get preset modes, customizable time and temperature adjustments, and a clear LED display that's visible even in bright light. Pause, show basket removal and cleaning. And when it's time to clean up, the ceramic coated basket and crisping tray are dishwasher safe, so cleanup takes seconds. Now, from my own use, after testing it for a full week, I can confidently say it cooks incredibly evenly. I tried fries, roasted veggies, and even baked brownies in it. The results: crispy fries, tender vegetables, and perfectly baked desserts, all in less time than a traditional oven. Pause, reviewer tasting food. The TurboBlaze motor really delivers. It's quiet, powerful, and energy efficient. The temperature accuracy is spot on, meaning what you set is what you get. One small detail I love is the keep warm function, perfect for when you're multitasking or waiting for guests. Your food stays at the ideal serving temperature without overcooking. Pause, wide kitchen shot with final dish. If you're short on kitchen space, the Cosori 9-in-1 air fryer is the perfect all-in-one replacement for your toaster oven, dehydrator, and even broiler. It's compact but extremely capable, making it one of the most practical investments for modern kitchens. So, if you want an air fryer that's powerful, precise, easy to clean, and built with premium materials, the Cosori TurboBlaze 6QT is the one to get. Hand pointing right by on Amazon, using the link below to grab the latest deals and check for seasonal discounts. Pause, outro tone. If you've tried any Cosori products before, drop your experience in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more honest reviews and cooking guides. Thanks for watching and happy air frying.